how to load the controller. First, if you restart the machine, the controller have this page, right? And then choose our logo. Click here. Here is the system. Here is have 5 model. 0 is operate, and 1 is manage, 2 is design, 3 is measure, and 4 is system. Then we choose you can choose operate. Here is operate. Here is manage. Manage is password is here is 1 is 5 is 4 1 1 1 1 1 1 and please OK. Here is you can see the again. Here is only this question. If you want to change the model, here is level. Here change the level. We output. Then we choose the system. System the password is 44 1 2 3 4. Here is 1. His password is 111141. Here is design is 222242. Here is 3 is 333. 4 is 44 is please OK. You will show the all fraction in the here. Okay. Close the here. Here is how to load the controller and change the controller the level. Okay. We generally later you use the operate. Use the operate is OK. Okay. Only use the machine, not set as a parameters. Here is set as all fraction the parameters. Okay. Here is